Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Booking.com affiliate program, and this is actually very simple, so make sure you watch till the very end. At first, head over to Booking.com's official website. After that, you want to scroll all the way down. As you can see at the bottom here, it says become an affiliate, so we're going to click on that one. And then as you see, it says join affiliate program today, so we're going to click on register to create a new account. And once you're here, so you can see that if you're in Europe, you need to register with CJ, and it is Austria, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom, everything, and other regions, which means if you're situated in Australia, Brazil, Latin America, North America, and Asia Pacific, you need to click on this one. So I will click on register with Awin since I'm from there. After that, you need to click on this one, and then you can see that they have separately all of this. So let's say I'm from Asia Pacific, so I'm going to click on this one. So now as you can see that they have all of this overview and everything, and now you need to click on sign up and join program at the left side over here. You should go over all of these things, and then you're going to click on join Awin, and then after that you're going to set up your account, and then what kind of promotional type do you want, promotional space, and then verify everything, and you should be good to go. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.